Hi kids! Welcome back to Fostin's Little Learning Hub. Let's get ready to learn.
This is video series number 24. Today, boys and girls, we are going to learn our new sound. But let us do a bit of reviewing first. S, t, p, a, n, I, k, h, m, k, d, k, e, r, g, a, f, o, l, b, e, o, I, j, I, o. It's story time. Sit tight, listen to the story as we learn our new sound. Zara is sitting outside on the grass one sunny morning. She is playing with Zebedee, her toy zebra. Suddenly, Zara hears a loud buzzing sound. Zzz, zzz, zzz. She looks around and sees a big honeybee buzzing around the flowers. The bee collects pollen to be made into honey back to his hive. Zara watches the bee as it buzzes from flower to flower, landing on each one and collecting the pollen. Then Zara stands up and runs around, flapping her arms like the wings of the bee and saying zzz, zzz, zzz. She stops by a gazania and bends down to pretend to collect the pollen from the flower. Then, zzz, 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 she buzzes and off she goes to collect more pollen from the daisies. What sound did we learn today? Zzz. Very good. Let me hear you say it. Zzz. Again. Zzz. Very good. Let us look at how to write Z. It's a very straight letter and it's a short letter. You start in the middle of the line, make a straight line across, go down on a slant and straight line across, just like a racing track. Z, z, z. Okay? Now, why don't you try it? Let's start at the top with the dotted line, straight line across, go down on a slant and straight line again. Don't do the slant too much or too little. All right? Just right. And remember, it is a short letter. Now it's reading time. Let us try to read some words with the Z sound. Remember to sound the letters first, and then we read the word. Z, E, P, zip. B, A, Z, buzz. Z, E, S, T, zest. Want to give it a try? Of course you do. Try reading these words. Remember to sound it first if you are having difficulty. And as you read the word, let mommy or daddy record you and send the recording to your teacher. Now it's dictation time. I am going to call 3 words this time and you are going to write it in your notebooks. After you're done writing, send the picture to your teacher so she can see how well you can write. First word, zip. Z-E-P, zip. Second word, fees. F-E-Z, fees. Remember to put 2 Z and not just 1. Let's give it a try again. Jazz. J-A-Z. Remember two Z. Jazz. Very good, children. Take your time to write now.
We had so much fun today. Come back next time for more fun from Fostin's Little Learning Hub. Bye bye.